Hello, God bless you. May the favor of the Lord be with you all life. This is Apostle Michael Anthony. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I believe this shall be a soul-lifting message for the edification of your body and for the impartation of your service with the Lord. Please watch this message, share, like, love it, and subscribe. God bless you as you watch.
We enter into the dimension of God's light every night. He showed us new things. We can't get into that place without the spiritual body. Now let's break it down. I introduce to you the realm of God. Every night, the souls of man must float out of his body completely. The part of the soul remaineth in a man is just to make him perfect as a sleep. You guys are not here.
Yes.
You aren't here. You see a man falling in the realm of the spirit as a sleep, and here too is trying to hold something, invisible things. Here is holding empty cloud. Here. But this invisible things is holding here. They are visible things as it's falling. It was dropping so fast and it's trying to hold the pipe. And here his hand too is doing the same, holding the sky. You see, what is this guy doing? He's trying to hold, not to fall in the spirit. And those things you are calling the empty atmosphere, they're actually pipes that your physical eyes cannot see. And you are saying there is no spiritual dimensions, there is no spiritual realms. You are worse than those fossils that have decayed in the cemetery. Sometimes you have dreams and you see yourself falling shallow. You begin to go deep and deep, and where you are, you see yourself going down. You are trying, the body is trying to, I cannot go down. Not now, not now. You are a foreigner. You must know where you came from. Every night in every country, and there is night, your body must surrender to the rule of the spirit. Either you walk or you don't walk. Don't you know that night talks about your origin? Night is for your soul, the day is for your body. Night is for your soul, the day is for your body. And God says your body is God's ecclesia. Your body is God's temple. Why? This body has to switch onto spiritual body at night. You ascend. God must reveal new things to you. It has been programmed. And that is why you can see dream and it's coming to pass. God may show you revelation when you sleep. Every soul must sojourn at night. This program is preordained before man was created. So God says, let there be night, because He knows man must enter into the dimensions of the spirit. Pay attention to that. God says, let it be for signs, for days, for season. The signs that you need are signs of revelations. Christ says, without me, you can't make an effect. Without me, which means you will completely depend on a spirit called Jesus' spirit to do all things. There was a time I was attacked. I saw a lady coming to me suddenly and then point the gun. It was so fast. I was just 15. When I woke up sweating profusely. I could still feel those bullets all over my body. I could feel the pain of those bullets. Then I began to pray, and my mom began to anoint me and says, the bullet leave this body. And you're saying there is no tie between the realm of the spirit and the physical realm. What kills some is just one bullet. Not until when you die every night. You die. You die every night, and this death will take you out of your body. But it is not unto death yet. Your time hasn't come. You die temporarily every night by design. You belong to a different realm. But God trapped you in your body to function and cause an effect. Now, in order to function effectively, your destiny is a pinpoint of mission that you must fulfill. Destiny is the vision of man that man must fulfill. Jesus Christ, the minister unto him, and part of the discussion is that he must die in Jerusalem. He must die in Jerusalem. So everything Christ will do are principles that will help him die in Jerusalem, because that becomes the locality of his death that will be sensitive to save the entire nations of the world. So Jerusalem becomes the median of this tree of life to drop and die to take away our iniquity. You must be pre-programmed according to God's own design as you ascend every night. Henceforth, you must be able to come out of where the devil trapped thousands of souls, or millions or billions of souls every night, according to the day breaking that God designed with different features. These features that brought the differences between our days and time for each territories and regions of the world. When I sleep, when I'm about to get up, you are just starting to sleep. And there is a continuous arrangement every day according to the day breaking ordained by the Lord. Every soul in Canada that are awake now will soon sleep. It is now their night. We are moving into the morning. In a few hours, we'll say, oh, good morning, everybody is going to their place of work. So this realm that control all the souls. So when you sleep and you don't have directions, connections into some divine revelation realm, which should be your place every night. You sleep, your soul is trapped into the realm of Satan, the prince of the air. Come on now. And instead of you seeing revelations and direction concerning the mission and the vision of God for your life, every child of light is born into a government, and in this government you are called the prince. What you make you become the king in that realm and dimensions of kingdom is God showing you what you're supposed to do. That is your mission, and it must come with a price to pay right in your time. God will show you revelation. You see, ministers of the gospel, they have been sharpened to the extent that when they sleep and their soul ascend, it know no other place but the place of dimensions of God's power, where it shows to them needful revelations. Even the king Pharaoh was able to ascend into that realm of dreams and revelation over the nation of Egypt. Your own dream is attacked every night. You have been trapped into the broad band of devils. You see yourself being afflicted every night. You run from one prison yard to another because you have been trapped as your soul escape your body to see things of the spirit. Some demons grab that soul and put them in their chains, and by the time the money comes, they release you to go. I saw myself running out. You are still there. Tomorrow morning they are coming for you again. Flee from that chain. Flee. Tonight, flee. Whatever you receive there determines your activity for the day. So when demons sees you, they can't hold you down because you are sharing part of the DNA of your Father being an unapproachable light. So as we speak now, there are tons and tons and tons of chains of connectivity that hold souls together. When witchcraft call your name, this network is where they bring you out from. But when they call the child of light, in the realm of great dimensions of kingdoms and power that surpasses every throne,